everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. I have brought another very informative and useful video for those students who have applied for English honors course in the Delhi University or any other university. So earlier also I have uploaded one video on English honors. That video is just telling you whether you should opt for English honors or not, whether you are made up for that course or not. So if you haven't checked that video, you should check that one also. I'll provide the link in the description box. And now this video is all about the course of English honors. Like in this video, I'm going to tell you what is English honors all about, what is the fees of that course, which are the top colleges of that course, and apart from that, even I'm going to tell you what will be the salary if you when you complete your English honors course, how much salary can you expect, and in which fields you can go for jobs. So all this information I'm going to provide you in this video. So watch the video till last, and after watching it, if you find that this information was useful for you, please like the video and share it with others also, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. First of all, let me tell you that this BA English honors course is a 3 years undergraduate course, and it comes under the stream of arts or humanities. Means mostly it comes under the arts or humanities stream, but anybody from any stream can opt for this course. So this is an added benefit for all the aspirants, those who want to pursue this course, that if you are from science stream, you are from commerce stream, you can easily go for this course. So now DU has started releasing its cutoffs also, so I can understand that your heartbeat has also increased with that thing. So you should have some patience, and if you have scored good marks, you can definitely get admission in your preferred colleges and all. This course teaches the development of English literature and language from the past to the modern times. Means if you are pursuing this English honors course, you will have to study the whole history of English literature, right from Chaucer. Chaucer is known as the father of English literature. After Chaucer, Shakespeare came. So this is something extra which I am going to tell you. So from Chaucer you will start, and till date the modern writers and their poems, their novels, their dramas, everything you are going to study in this English honors course. So it's very exciting. Now let me tell you which career options you can opt for if you are thinking of pursuing this course of English honors. You can go in media, you can go for content writing and blogging, you can go for teaching, you can go for these news anchor, you can go for writing and publishing, you can go for creative writing. Means there are various fields in which you can go to have your jobs after you complete this 3 years course. But one thing is here, that if you want to go for teaching, then you will have to do BA degree if you want to go for school teaching, and if you want to go for college teaching, then you will have to do PhD, and you have to clear certain other tests also. So that is something which you should know if you want to go for teaching. And if you want to go for journalism and this communication and all, then also you will have to pursue certain other courses. So this thing you should know. So now let me tell you which are the top colleges where you can opt for this course. So first of all comes St. Stephen's College, that is in Delhi University only, and here I'm going to tell you the fees of these colleges also, along with the name of the college. I'll be telling you the fees also. I'm not going to tell you the exact amount, because if it will vary little bit here and there, then you people will blame me. So I'm going to tell you roughly how much fees you will have to pay. Actually this fees will be different. It will differ, it will vary from college to college and university to university. So first of all, St. Stephen's is the best college for English honors if you want to go there, and the fees of this college is around 1 lakh per year. So St. Stephen's 1 lakh per year. College is Lady Shri Ram College, and this is also in New Delhi, and the fees for this college is around 80,000 per year. right? So third college that is very famous for English honors is Christ University. Means that is a university in Bangalore. So that is also very famous for English honors. If you get admission over there, that will be really very good for you. So the fees in that university, Christ University, this is the most expensive university, you can say. Here your fees will be around 2,60,000 per year. So if you want to go for this university, you will have to pay this much fees. So if you can afford this much, and if you get admission over there, there's nothing better than that. Three main colleges. Apart from this also, there are so many other colleges also where you can go for this course easily if you get admission over there. And one more thing I want to tell you here, that from since last year like entrance test was conducted for this course, but this year it will be, means admission will be given only on the basis of merit cutoff. So you have to see that if means I'll paste the cutoffs of last year of different colleges here, so you can check it whether you have chances to get admission over there or not. So now let us see, if you complete this course, means you have paid the fees, you have completed the course, and what salary can you expect? Means you have, suppose you have got a good job also, how much salary can you expect after completing this course? So after completing this course, you can expect initially at the beginning, you can expect at least 4 lakhs per annum salary. 4 lakhs. You can expect that will be your minimum salary if you complete this course with good marks and all. So eligibility criteria for this course is 50% marks, means you must have got 50% marks in your 12th standard. And one more thing, that you can pursue this course with like regular also and through distance learning also. In both ways you can pursue this course. Now I'm going to tell you the universities which are providing this course through distance learning also. First of all, IGNOU is there, Indira Gandhi Open National Open University. DU also provides this course through distance learning. Apart from IGNOU and DU, there is one more university, that is Netaji Subhash Open University, and then one more university is there, that is Utkal University. So these universities you can contact if you want to pursue this course through distance learning or correspondence. So this is all about this course, and now let me tell you why you should, means why is this course so important. Because this is the course about English, and you all know that English is a diverse language. Means this is the international language, diverse language. There are so many benefits of like studying English. And if you become a master in that, you can go to various fields. Your communication skills will improve, your personality will improve, you can become a good public speaker, you can, means your confidence will increase most of all. So this course is really very good for those students, those aspirants who have that knack for literature, those who enjoy reading literature, those who want to improve their language skills and all. To do this course, don't skip it if you get a chance, to all of you. And do check my other video also on the same course, English Honors. In that I have told in detail what are the things which you have to study in this course of English Honors. So my next video is going to be on BA English, so don't skip that one also. I'm going to make that video today only along with this. So next will be that, so stay tuned for that also. So wish you luck all of you. So see you in my next video, and do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like the video. So thank you everybody.